This is a sewing kit I bought off Amazon and wanted to look at it with you. It comes with this circle pack of needles of various sizes. Quite a few needles in there. You can see it is taped on 3 edges. I'm not going to open it up. So you have quite a few needles there and a needle holder. You have 2 of these little guys that are supposed to help you thread needles, a small pair of scissors, a safety pin, and 3 buttons, 2 straight pins, a seam ripper here. This is just a reinforced stitch binding, and then all of these thread colors, a thimble, and a small measuring tape. Let's see how big this goes. Measuring tape goes to 150 centimeters or 60 inches, 5 feet. So quite a bit of measuring tape here. I'm gonna fold that back up. So this is a nice little, kind of an emergency kit to have. Maybe if you're traveling for any clothing fixes you might need. And it's got these little elastic things to hold all your threads in place. Quite a lot. They fit into a nice little zip up case. Nothing super fancy, super expensive. It's just a very basic emergency sew on a button, fix a little hem sewing kit. It is a nice thing to have when you're traveling, or maybe for bridal gift box, for things you might need the day of your wedding, in case someone, not necessarily for the wedding dress, but like in case someone in the wedding party has a problem with their outfit, like they get on a new dress and realize, oh, the seam's undone here, or this button popped off of one of the groomsmen's jackets. So it could be good for that. I actually bought these to put in Christmas box kits that go overseas to teen girls and boys that they can learn some basic clothing repair skills with. The case is pretty nice for what this is. I like the case. The zipper works well. No problems there. It looks like it's gonna hold up really well and hold all the supplies. If you need a sewing kit, little simple, quick sewing kit, especially the seam ripper is a nice addition. The seam ripper, safety pin, and the scissors, I think are all nice additions you don't see in all the little sewing kits. And that is a nice full-sized seam ripper. So hope this helps you know if this is what you're looking for.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.